Alright, welcome to Big Al Eats. And I smoked that edition. We're gonna see if we can smoke these cupcakes. Still have Trevin.
Still here.
He's still here. We didn't scare him off yet. Got one episode under our belt. The recipe for these delicious cupcakes. So, now we're gonna see if we can smoke them.
Yeah.
Trevin, so we're gonna smoke these about 200 degrees with apple wood. Okay, kind of give it a little, just a little hint of
hopefully, yeah.
Of that.
Yeah.
But Trevin kind of said, hey, why don't we just smoke the marshmallows too?
Yeah, last time we topped them with torched marshmallows, but we might as well. If we're going smoke, just go all in,
We're
yeah.
gonna go all in.
Yeah. These are s'mores flavored, we should mention. They're the same as last time, but we are going to try smoking them.
If you want to see that video, we're going to put a link right here above my head or at the end of the video. Right here. It's right here. I think over here. We're going to put it right here.
I don't see it.
Okay, it's not there. Not quite yet. It'll be in a second. Okay, but anyways. Then we're going to, also at the end of the episode, we'll have a link to it. So you'll have many ways to see the recipe to this. So we're not going to go over the recipe again. We're just going to have fun.
Yeah.
We're going to have smoke. Love it.
Yes.
Okay. We had fire in last episode, smoke this episode.
And magic in both of them.
It can't
right?
be. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, does it, Trevor?
No, it doesn't.
All right. He's the kid's baking champion, and if I can take his advice, you know, I'm trying to learn. I'm learning today. All right, so we're going to take 6 of these out.
Okay.
Any 6 that you think
So,
just
are we taking the liners off?
Yeah, we're going to take the liners off so we can get the smoke all the way around it.
Okay. And what temperature did you say this?
We're going to do this at 200 degrees.
Okay.
And I've already got the smoker fired up, so by the time we get out there, it should be smoky. And that's what we want, the most smoke as possible.
Okay.
So we're going to do 6 the way with the smoker, and then we're going to do 6 regular. So we're going to go through the icing, put some graham cracker crust on the edges, and put these marshmallows on all of them. But only 6 of them are going to be smoked. So we're going to see if we can tell the difference. Again, these are bite-sized cupcakes, for me at least.
Yeah, it took me
one bite.
a few bites.
Everybody knows the rules.
Yeah.
If anybody watches, you know, Dave Portnoy and this one bite challenge. You ever seen those? The pizza challenge? Oh, I don't want to get you addicted on another YouTube channel. But, if you ever do watch the pizza reviews, he does pizza reviews, and during this time, he's been doing frozen pizza reviews in his apartment. So it's
interesting.
One bite, everybody knows challenge. It's a pizza review. So
okay, I need to watch that.
It's
absolutely.
Definitely interesting. Okay. So now we're gonna go right to the smoker. So you're gonna join us at the smoker. All right, welcome at the smoker.
Yep.
Trevin's gonna say it with me.
Carousel of love.
Carousel of love. That's right. Open it up. Woo!
Smoky. It smells so good.
It smells like a campfire.
It does.
So he's got the cupcakes. I got the marshmallows. We're kind of hoping with some smoky flavor.
Yeah, like s'more-y, campfire-y.
Campfire love.
Yeah.
From the carousel of love.
Yeah. Why not?
Okay, just throw it right on one of those trays. We're gonna shut the door.
There's the handle.
And we're gonna let it go for about 5 minutes. Oh, we're almost there. That's perfect.
That was pretty good.
That's the best timing we've had so far.
Yeah.
All right.
They look pretty puffy.
They look puffy, but they don't look brown.
I know, I'm surprised. Oh my.
I think I've seen this on another episode of Big Al Eats. Do you remember when we tried to do snack cakes and I did banana marshmallow pie? Yeah. Remember when I said that didn't turn out very well? Yeah, let's probably just take these out.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to work very well.
No.
We're going to flame them probably.
I'm really sad.
Okay, let's see what the cupcakes. They're still the outside are still they're getting a little bit crispy on the outside on the sides.
I think they're going to need some more time.
We definitely need more smoke on them. So we probably need another, let's leave them in there for another 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah, why not?
Why not? So hopefully when we open these doors, the cupcakes will be right here. I don't know. Let's see if we get lucky again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. Oh, not too far off.
Not great.
At least it wasn't at the top like they've been, you know.
6 out of 10.
Oh. Smell the smoke, Trevin. Smell the smoke. I don't know why, but. And then Trevin made a good point. He's also noticed that I don't really believe in a lot of the protection from the heat.
I know, you always just grab everything.
So I was just not doing this at home, but I don't know. I just always grab it, you know. Sometimes it's a little warm.
Is it?
I mean, it's not too bad. I mean,
it's pretty.
We smoking it at 200 degrees, yeah, don't. Let me get this one first.
Yeah. I always forget.
pull hard. Oh yeah, there we go. So
There we go.
don't take it out with your bare hands, okay? This is just me. I do a lot of things on Big Al Eats that I don't do in real life as far as like on the truck. You know, I wear gloves all the time when I'm preparing food for people.
Not a good idea.
We don't do that here. You know, I wear a hat when I'm preparing food. This is for entertainment purposes, and we're the only ones eating it, so we can do what we want,
Yeah.
right? All
Why
right.
not?
Okay, let me unplug the smoker because that way she don't fire up as we're gone. No need to use that resource when we're not here. So they look pretty good, and they kind of got like a little bit of crust on it. That's what we want. We're gonna icing these again. If you watched our recipe video, we iced them then. So I'm gonna let Trevin go ahead and do them all because mine didn't turn out in the ice episode very well.
I think that they were rustic, you know?
Rustic. That's a good description. So we're gonna let Trevin.
No, you should do some.
Oh no, we're gonna let Trevin. He's the expert at it. I don't know if I can do it anymore. It's just I know practice makes perfect. So maybe I'll try another couple of them.
Yeah,
but
you can do 3.
You go ahead
and
and
do 3.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay,
Yeah.
so as he's decorating those, we're gonna again we're gonna put the icing on. We're gonna put graham cracker crust, cracker stuff around it. And then we had to go with different marshmallows.
Yeah.
It was a goopy mess.
I just can't believe
it was a goopy
what
mess.
happened to those. It was really sad.
All right, let's see if we can do it. In the middle, squeeze and go around. Hey, that was actually not bad.
That one's pretty good.
Trevin, uh-oh. I think I might be taking over his job here. I'm available for hire. If Today Bakery needs any employees, you know, I might be able to swing a couple hours. Yeah. Those aren't bad.
Yeah, those are pretty good. You got a little thing right there, but that'll get pushed down when we do graham crackers.
Just a little bit here.
Yeah.
But I mean, I think if I do another 3,000 to 4,000 of them, I'd be perfect.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay,
I think I've actually done like 3,000
I was going to say, I was going to ask you, how many cupcakes do you think you have made?
Probably in
Thousands.
I would say about 3,000.
Well, I remember, I think at one of the events that I was at, you were at, and you had like 600 cupcakes sold out in about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, and we had, we bring about 1,200 to the craft shows that we do, and we've sold out almost every time. There was a few times that we just had like a few left.
There's a lot of cupcakes. I mean, I think if anybody's on Facebook and they've, are friends with any of the people that are friends with Today Bakery, you might have saw a contest. What inspired the contest that was there last week?
Oh yeah, the Tiger King.
The Tiger King.
I actually made Tiger King themed cupcakes, and then we gave them away to people.
I mean, they were awesome. The most disappointing thing about them though was I didn't win.
I know.
I mean, I commented.
I know, I saw it.
As soon as you
were on the wheel.
I say as soon as your grandma, but I think her official title is Nana. Is that what it is? Nana. And hopefully she's doing well now.
Yep.
She's recovering, but Nana, shout out to you. Get better.
Shout out to Nana.
I want to see it work.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get them into cupcakes.
Okay, so I've got graham cracker crumbs. This is what we did on the last episode. I just take this edge and roll it around so that we get a little bit of graham cracker. And we're
Gotta
gonna do
have,
that.
I mean, the ingredients. You gotta have marshmallows.
Yeah.
Chocolate. Graham crackers. Check, check, check.
Yeah.
Right.
And we're using good marshmallows on top.
Plus marshmallow fluff in icing.
I forgot to mention this is marshmallow buttercream. So
it's amazing. Oh yeah.
Double marshmallow. Okay.
Okay.
So we're just gonna do the rest of these.
And by the way, we do have the smoked ones sitting right here. Okay, we're letting them cool a little bit. We're gonna icing them as soon as we get these done. You don't want to miss the tasting. You gotta watch our tasting of them because I've got high hopes for those. You know, I don't know if you can make Trevin's cupcakes any better, but smoke, that's just another alternative.
Yeah, well, we're gonna try it.
We're gonna try it, you know.
I'm a little skeptical.
It may not make it better, but it's still gonna be a different.
It'll be different.
Yeah, different dimension.
Yeah, because a lot of people don't believe me when I say, but like, I've had so much cake that for my birthday, I never have cake. I have like cookies or brownies or something like that because
that's interesting.
I can't do any more cake.
JJ, my son, he doesn't eat cake on his either.
Really?
You know what he eats?
What?
And maybe you can make one of these. I don't know.
Is it gonna be pizza?
No.
Oh.
It's a pie. Custard pie. He loves custard pie.
I don't even know what that is.
Really?
I mean, I know what it is.
You gotta know what it is. So you've never made one?
I've never made one.
Okay, so there's a challenge for you, Trevin.
Yeah, gotta make a
custard pie for JJ.
Just gotta drop it by.
Just let me know when you're making it.
You know.
Just let me know you're making it. We can get it to Nana.
Yeah.
Nana can get it to me.
Oh yeah, and then
We can do the change that way.
Yep.
Custard pie. Look it up.
I will.
That is his favorite every birthday.
I think I've had it before.
Oh, I'm sure you have.
I've never
They're all over.
made it.
They're all over, but
I don't know.
once you see the ingredients and stuff, you may not think that it's very tasty, but they are good. I like them, but not everybody in our family does. But me and JJ definitely like them. We can eat a whole one custard pie each.
Oh my.
So that's interesting. You
true?
say that is true.
Okay.
He's over there saying yes. He's going yes. Yep.
Okay. So
okay. So we want to go ahead and do this, and then we'll put the mushrooms.
Are these too warm?
Oh, that feels
You want
good.
to just ice like 2 of them? To
Sure.
Try
That's what we're gonna
because
try
I don't
eating.
want the icing.
There we go.
We're just gonna ice them, eat them.
Okay.
Oh wait. We can go ahead and put the marshmallows. These are different marshmallows, like we said.
The other one's a goop.
And we toasted these with the torch. If you want to see how we did that, you can go to the last episode where we made these not smoked, which is what we're doing right now.
Yeah, it was a big goopy mess. We could have just poured them on here, maybe.
I guess, yeah. And then we could have had like.
But they didn't take any smoke flavor at all.
I know. I was really surprised.
So they didn't hold up to the smoker and didn't take any flavor. So why use them?
Not worth it.
We did eat a couple, though.
Don't do it. Yeah, but they weren't good.
They weren't good. They were just normal.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't try it.
Okay.
Okay.
Beautiful cupcakes. Beautiful. Now, let's make these.
Okay, so I'm just gonna.
So you icing yours, I'll icing mine. Because I'm getting into this icing thing. I'm a professional now, I think.
Basically.
I think I could be right up there, and Duff can probably maybe even, you know. I mean, I might just take over his.
Yeah.
I don't think Duff has got anything on me. Now, we'll see later, but you know, yeah. Oh, we got a little accident. I didn't notice, but I don't know if we normally mix our icing with our.
Well, I think that the cupcakes are still a little warm.
What happened?
So the icing slid off inside of the.
Hold on, I bet my icing stays on. Hold on. We got the professional here, but let's see if my icing. Oh! Hold on, let's wait a little bit longer.
No, it's still going off.
Okay. All right. They're a little warm.
We'll just cover it up.
Here, yeah.
Cut.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Perfect.
That's perfect.
Okay, and then we gotta put marshmallows on them.
Hold on a second. Hurry up, put marshmallows on.
We gotta get them fast. We probably should have waited, but you know.
You know, in a matter of time, and we just went for it. So, all right. So, these are the smoked ones. We're gonna try these, and then we're gonna try some without smoke, just to compare. But I mean, I think this is another bite-size, you know, cupcake.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna have flavor or smoke?
I think so. It smells like it. I'm a little worried.
Worried? Oh,
Yeah.
Don't be worried. Smoke is always good, no matter what. Okay, let's go. Well, how is it?
It's good.
Do I got anything on my face?
A little bit.
What?
Right.
Huh? No. Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Oh no, now it's everywhere. On your
Wrong
shirt.
Wrong side.
We just made a giant mess.
Okay.
There's no longer any icing on this one.
The
It's
bright
all-
side is, though, I do taste some smoke.
I know.
In my opinion, it does not make it any better.
No.
It slightly makes it worse.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm not a
I'm not a fan of it. It may be because of chocolate. Is it because of chocolate?
maybe
Maybe if we did
they
a
don't-
vanilla cupcake,
maybe.
like the angel food, maybe that would
Yeah.
be a little different. This is not a go. Not a go. So don't ruin a cupcake that you get from Trevin by putting it in your smoker. I'm going to have to eat one of these
Yeah.
just to get that taste out of my mouth. It's pretty nasty.
I don't like it.
I don't like it either. We ruined 6 cupcakes today on Big Al Eats. I can't believe it. And I'm so sad because these cupcakes are delicious.
R.I.P. cupcake.
So, again, okay, we talked about Duff a little bit. Let's talk about Valerie. She was the other person on this episode. How was she to work with?
Where do I put this?
Just throw it right there. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, she was awesome because, like, it was funny because my mom was like, oh, you know, Duff Goldman's on it and Valerie Bertinelli. And I was like, who's that? And she goes, you know, from One Day at a Time, and I didn't know what it was. And my mom was like amazed that I had never heard of it, and so it was pretty cool to, because I've watched episodes here and there. After
you heard it.
After meeting her.
Well, I can tell you, I grew up on that, so I mean, I kind of date myself too.
That's what a lot of people tell me, and it's just like.
And those were very, very good episodes way back when.
Yeah.
I'm not going to really say what century or decade that was, but I'm getting older. But those were good episodes.
Yeah.
You know, right along with the Dukes of Hazzard and stuff like that, about the same time frame and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, those were my shows when I was a kid. But I remember back then, whenever watching those shows, you know, being a little guy watching that, those were great episodes. Really, really, really good TV.
Yeah.
Now it's just all reality TV, you know, like baking things and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
But anyways, okay, so let's talk about some lessons we learned today on Can I Smoke That? Okay.
Lots of things.
What do we learn about smoking your chocolate cupcake?
Don't do it.
Exactly. Do not do it.
Yeah.
It does not improve
Fire
it.
is good, but not on.
Fire is good.
Okay.
And it doesn't work on marshmallows either.
It doesn't work on marshmallows.
Goopy mess, doesn't take any
so
smoke.
much.
It's been a learning experience.
Yeah.
We've had magic, we've had fire, we've had smoke, and disappointment.
Yeah.
Excitement to disappointment. Because last episode
we still have these.
That's exciting. It's exciting.
Yeah, it is.
So, Trevin, you know, I've had so much fun on these 2 episodes. You know,
I have too.
I think that maybe, you know, in the future we collab on something else again, and we get back and maybe we do some other things. There's so many things we could probably do, because you can bake anything.
I know.
So if somebody out there is just hunkering down for some cupcakes or cakes or whatever you want made in your bakery, how do they get a hold of you?
You can contact my mom through Facebook. You can contact me through Instagram.
Okay.
You can contact my mom through Instagram. Any of those ways will work, because I check my DMs pretty often. And
so what we'll do too is I'll get those links and we'll put them in the description below when this episode comes out. That way they can just go from our description down there and DM you.
And if you think that you might want to try something but you don't know what, you can follow me on Instagram, and I post all of my
What's
desserts.
your Instagram?
It's Trevin_TDA Bakes, I think.
Okay. All right. And we'll put that down there to make sure that we have the right link.
You can see all of the desserts. You can keep up with me on there.
He's done all kinds of things, and he can do about anything you need him to do. So we want to make sure that you know, go over there. I'm not a baker. I don't ever claim to be a baker. I've tried a few things.
Made cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls. I'm not bad at cinnamon rolls.
Yeah, cinnamon rolls are good.
I don't know what a smoked cinnamon roll tastes like. There's an idea.
There's another episode.
You know, we can go through the recipe of making the cinnamon roll and then smoke it. I think
we need to do this more often.
Oh yeah. So we'll definitely have Trevin back if he wants to come back.
Yeah.
And he'd just be like maybe a regular on our show, because I think I had so much fun today.
Yeah.
I think the episodes are going to be a little longer than normal, but it's so much fun, and I can ask so many questions. We didn't even touch half of the stuff that I wanted to ask him for on there, so we're going to have him back for more questions.
Okay.
Anything else, Trevin?
I don't think so.
Don't smoke your cupcakes.
Don't smoke cupcakes.
Okay.
Don't smoke marshmallows.
Exactly. 2 lessons. You learn something every day on Big Al's Eats. So, can I smoke that? Yes. Do we want to? No. Join us next time on Big Al Eats. We're going to have recipes dropping on Wednesdays, 3 p.m. and Can I Smoke That on Sundays. We have lots of great things coming up. I'm telling you, we're going to do some specials. We're actually probably going to have a live episode in the middle of June you won't want to miss. There might be involving people getting sick on it. I don't know. You got to watch it. Middle of June. Keep watching for ads. You want to see somebody get sick on my show?
Absolutely.
I think it's going to happen. We'll have trash cans waiting by right next door to them. We'll see. 3 special guests on that episode along with me. You don't want to miss it. Big Al Eats. See you next time.